How to verify your identity on Binance Mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to verify your identity on Binance. And due to some security concern, the interface won't appear, so I'm just going to use the browser version of it. What you need is to verify your identity. You just want to make sure to open up and log into your Binance Mobile app. Once you're logged in, you then need to tap on Verify Now button on the very home page, or just go to Profile and tap on Unverified Verify Identity section. There, first thing first, you will be asked to choose a country. Select your country of residence. Ensure it matches your document as well. Then you have to input your nationality, full ID or full name, date of birth, and address accurately as well. Next, you have to make sure to choose your document type like ID card, passport, or driver license, and take clear up uncropped photos of the front and the back. And you also need to use the app to take a selfie following the prompt for a facial recognitions as well. There, you want to make sure to submit and wait for the confirmation, and that's how you're supposed to verify your identity on Binance Mobile. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.